What up? I'm on a train going to Chicago somewhere. I'm on the line. I have the perfect seats. Freaking awesome. We just started. We're all the way at the top. I have not been on a train in forever. I'm a nervous wreck. And I got a big airplane. It's not that big in camera, but it's huge. This is awesome. I mean, really. I haven't been on a train in so long. I'm so scared, and man, you don't even know. If you were here, oh, I wish my best friend was here. He's always here to like Austin. He's on my videos sometimes. This is cool. Actually, yeah, I am on a real live train. It is moving. Ah! And there's my dad and my sister. And we are alone back here, which is awesome. There's the map. What? And yay! Where? Where? I don't see it. I don't see it. I can't get. Oh, I can't. It's
Doors closing.
yeah. Oh, I got it.
Kedzie is next.
Come on.
Doors open on the left at Kedzie.
Well, it's not that big on camera, like I said, but it's huge. I don't know what the hell's back there. This has been awesome. I'll see you on the way back. Peace.